Are you an aspiring content creator in Africa wondering how to start a YouTube channel without breaking the bank in 2025? Okay, now there is no need dreaming about starting your own YouTube channel and worry about the cost of equipment, editing, or even where to begin. Today, I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube channel right here as an African on a budget. I've got you covered. Why don't you stay put and let's learn together? Step 1. Finding your niche. First things first, your niche. A niche is basically what your channel is about. Now, don't stress. You don't need to overthink this. Just ask yourself these few questions. What am I good at? What do I love? What can I talk about endlessly without having to get tired? Let's take, for instance, are you someone who loves food? You love to cook good food regardless of your gender. You can simply start a cooking channel featuring African dishes like jollof rice, wache, African soup, or soya recipes. Or you're someone who is good at makeup. You can also teach people how to slay African-inspired looks. Passionate about your culture, showcase traditional dances, festivals, or even African proverbs. The goal or the key is to pick something you really enjoy and stick with it. Trust me, your passion will shine through. And your audience, they will love you for it. Step 2, equipment on a budget. Now, let's talk about equipment. Spoiler alert, you don't need expensive cameras to start, especially when you are a newbie in the game or in the world of content creation. If you have a smartphone, you're absolutely good to go, because I hear a lot of people whine about having to get cameras and they don't have the money to get a good camera just yet. You know how they start and or whatnot. Candid opinion, you don't need a camera to start, because this is you trying to start on a budget. And then for lighting, because this is another very important form of equipment, the best and the most cheapest option for Africans who wish to start their content creation journey is natural light. Just film near a window during the day and you get clear, bright shots. If you have a bit of cash to spare, okay, invest in a simple ring light. They are super affordable and available in many local markets around you. The ring lights to me would be very, very useful when you're not so charged to film during the day. For sound, you can use a lapel mic. It's super cheap but makes a big difference. If you don't have one, you can just record in a very quiet room to cut out background noise. And for a tripod, no need to spend big money. Simply stack some books or urinate firmly against something very strong to, hold your phone and you're good to go. But then, if you have some money to spare, like I would always say, grab a budget tripod from your local market. Something not so expensive. All right, moving on to step 3, planning and scripting. Yes, you have to plan and script your content very well. Before you hit record, write down your ideas. You don't even need to write a word for word script, but having a plan keeps you very organized. Start with simple topics like maybe 5 things for healthy skin, or how to cook egusi soup for the Nigerians or for the food lovers. And in planning this, use free tools like Google Docs or Notion to keep your ideas in one place. Remember, consistency is key. If you plan ahead, it's easier to stay on track. Trust me. Moving on to tip or step number 4, recording and editing. Now, it's time to hit that record button, right? Remember to keep your camera stable and make sure your face is well lit. Once you've recorded, it's time to edit, right? And no, you don't need fancy software. You do not need a software that requires you to pay a dime before accessing it. Simply check out free apps like CapCut, InShot, or KineMaster, and so many others. In case you do not know these, they are actually beginner friendly and work great on smartphones. If you're editing on a laptop, DaVinci Resolve is free and very powerful. A little editing can turn your raw footage into something professional. Okay, Just let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video that explains all of these video editing softwares for content creators like you. Step 5. Uploading and optimizing videos. As an African content creator ready to start a YouTube channel, learn to upload and optimize your videos after editing. First things first, choose a very good time like weekends or evenings or any time that works best for you. But during the weekends or in the evenings usually works best for most African audiences. Create catchy titles and use free tools like Canva to design eye-catching thumbnails. Write a clear description and include keywords to help people find your video. My next 2 videos will definitely talk about free tools that you can use to design your thumbnails, as well as to know the right keyword or keywords to use to help people find your videos. Moving on to step 6, growing your channel. In growing your channel, it takes time, we all know, but here is how to speed things up. Share your videos with friends and family, collaborate with other creators, and most importantly, stay consistent. Engage with your audience by replying to their comments. It gives them or makes them feel seen and keeps them coming back to your channel for more videos. And that's it, my people. As simple as ABC. Just so you know, starting a YouTube channel in Africa, especially in 2025, is totally doable, even on a budget. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just start with what you have, okay? And improve as you go. If you found this video very helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Yes, subscribe for more tips just like this one. And let me know in the comments what niche you're starting in or intend to start with. And to you who are already in the game, congratulations to you. You can as well share your challenges and ask questions on how to start your YouTube channel in 2025. I can't wait to see your comment and of course, your content. Let's grow together. My name is Faith Kalu and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.